Alabama Surfcast quick tip of the week. This week, sinkers. Use the lightest sinker you can possibly get away with in the conditions that you have. Behind me right now, it's very calm, so I can get away with a 2 or a 3. When it's rougher, you're gonna want a little higher, but use the lightest weight you possibly can to keep your bait out there. The reason is if that fish gets leverage on a weight that's stuck in the sand, it's gonna pop off your hook. So again, when you're using pompano rigs like Friskies or Salty's pompano rigs or ones you make on your own, use the lightest sinker you can possibly get away with. That has been this week's Alabama Surfcast tip of the week.